I do say that,
you're not.
and I stand by that. It's 44 to 100 in Misfire, like, quickly is like, kinda crazy. Why is it 63 to 100? I did not fall off. Go club, go club.
45 to
Club,
100 again.
go,
45 to
go.
100!
Look at you.
Yes!
Look at you.
Times 2.
No, this song just reminded me of like this one girl at my school who was barking at teachers today in the hallway at lunchtime. I don't know what was going on, but she has like a tail, cat ears, and like a pet dog she carries around. But it's like a a plushie.
That's kind of cute. But like,
It's kind of
the barking's not.
No, like she was literally getting grumpy at teachers. She went like you know, bark noises. No, I hate Dying to the Wave because the last thing I hear is only 7 inches long every time.
Only 7 inches long. in the most like freaking soft voice ever, bro.
Yeah, and then please adopt me. Actually, how do you play this level? This level sucks.
Please adopt me. Paws on your butt as I lick my lips.
Oops.
Gotta hit him with this first shit. He don't see it coming.
Yes, 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 yes,
Did you
yes,
do
yes, 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 yes.
30 something to 100.
Yes, yes, yes,
Nice.
yes. Alumawahi.
That was tongue so tough.
Ooh. Yo, shut up. Oh my god.
That was not that bad.
Yo, tung so tough.
Look at them. No, we don't have that, bro.
$33. What? I have Misfire in 2 runs.
Wow.
41. 42. 54.
Please adopt me.
77. Paws on your butt cause I lick my lips. Dang it! No! I got past the only 7 inches long wave, and then I died to the click right out. Give me like my little baby, smell up for your boji. Stop! I cannot die! No! No! The singing killed me. I couldn't resist, bro.
Stop singing.
For your boji.
No.
Surprisingly, I haven't died to the 7 inches long wave.
No.
Like, not even once.
Imagine liking school.
Nerd over here? Yeah, I like it too.
James, you deserve to get freaking like whipped by a belt, bro.
That's horrible.
Kalo, can you stop playing this fire, bro?
Okay, we'll keep on playing it.
No, don't listen to
You
Duckman.
told me to
Nobody
get
cares about
whipped by a belt. Keep on playing it.
Nobody cares about you, James.
I do.
Yeah, you care about yourself, narcissist.
Yeah. Nothing wrong with that. Some self-care.
Narcissism.
You know?
No, I don't.
Idiotism.
Idiotism.
Idiotism. I have to do snap streaks every day, otherwise people get annoyed at me. I've got a 600-day streak with someone, and if I lose that, I'm gonna get hung by them. They're gonna kill me.
I mean, that would be contributing to society if you died.
There's no way
Ooh, please adopt me. Paws on your blood cause I lick my lips. 78, bro.
Stop saying it.
78.
Stop
Okay.
singing.
Bro, it's so fun. I like it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it.
I'm
I
also
know it's
scared
funny,
of
but like,
Inches long. Ooh, please adopt me. Paws on your butt as I lick my lips. Ooh, punch me. Gotta hit him with this furry.
85.
oh,
Yes.
85.
Yes. Yes. 80 freaking 5, bro.
Hey, I got a little itch. You think you can help me? Only 7 inches long. Ooh, please adopt me. Paws on your butt as I lick my lips. Ooh, punch me. Gotta hit him with this furry shit. You don't see it coming.
I just held my breath.
Okay, I know this is a really bad idea, but I'm already here, so here we fucking go. Die. Extreme noses pounces on you. Ooh, you so warm. Couldn't help but notice your bones from across the floor. Noses are Nicky like you told them or told the hee hee. Unzip so baggy as pants, oh baby, you so musky. Take me home, pet me, and make me yours, and don't forget to stuff me. See me like my little baby tail for your bulgy bulgy. Kisses and lickies your neck. I hope daddy likes you. Nuzzles and wuzzles your chest. I be getting thirsty. Hey, I got a little itch. You think you can help me? Only 7 inches long. Ooh, please adopt me. Paws on your butt as I lick my lips. Ooh, punch me. Gotta hit him with this furry shit. You don't see it coming.
Oh wait, I was supposed to react. Sorry. Yo. Anyways, W.